Hello friends, now we are going to discuss a very important interview question. What is the difference between an abstract class and an interface? The first difference that you need to tell in front of interviewer is when there are some common features that are to be shared by all the objects of its subclasses, then we go for an abstract class. In case of interface, when all the features are to be implemented differently for all the objects of its implementation class, then we go for interface. For example, we have an abstract class vehicle and its subclasses two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler. In all these classes, wheel and petrol is a common. So all these features, wheel and petrol tank, are needed in all its subclasses. So this is the common feature. In that case, we go for an abstract class. Come to the interface. In interface, we have a payment interface and its implementation classes credit card and check. The task is one, pay bill, but its implementations are different. In case of credit card, we swipe the credit card in the ATM machine and then we enter our PIN code. And in check, we have to fill the check manually. So there is no commonality in the implementation. In that case, we go for an interface. The second difference is that when an abstract class is written, it is compulsory for a programmer to write its subclasses. That means the programmer himself have to write the subclasses. But in case of interface, if the programmer want to leave its implementation to the third party vendors, then we go for an interface. For example, in JDBC, Servlet and JSP and in frameworks, you will find that for most of the interfaces, the implementations classes are given by the third party vendors. For example, in JDBC, there is an interface connection and its implementations classes are given by Oracle, MySQL and Sybase and various other third party vendors. Come to the third difference. An abstract class is a collection of some abstract methods and some concrete methods. In abstract class, there are three conditions. The first condition is that in abstract class, we can have all the abstract methods. The second condition is that in abstract class, we can have all the concrete methods. And in third condition, we can have some abstract methods and some concrete methods in an abstract class. In case of interface, an interface is a collection of only abstract methods. Come to the further difference. In abstract class, we can write instance variables, but in interface, we cannot write instance variables because all the variables in an interface are default public static final. That means all the variables in an interface are constants. There are constants in interface, there is no variable. Come to the fifth difference. The abstract methods of abstract class are implemented in its subclasses. And in case of interface, the abstract methods of interface are implemented in its implementation classes. Come to the sixth difference. For abstract class, we use abstract keyword, and to declare interface, we use interface keyword. So there are the six important differences between abstract class and interface, which I have collected from different sources. So you need to remember all these differences. For more information about such kind of important interview questions and such kind of important Java topics, please visit my website www.itsoftpoint.com, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also like my website. Thank you for watching this video.